Hi, dear students. In the last session, we discussed about the general characteristics of Aves. In this session, we are going to study on the topic classification of Aves. Those who not watched the first video, kindly watch later onwards. Watch this video. The superclass Aves is divided into two subclasses, Archaeornithes and Neornithes. These Archaeornithes, which consisting of the extinct birds, we can't able to see these birds because these are already extinct. Can see with the help of pictures. Only we can study these Archaeornithes and subclass Neornithes, which includes both extinct and the present day birds. Present day are modern birds that are present in the subclass Neornithes, which consisting of the four super orders: the Odognathae and Paleognathae and Impini and Neognathae. The superorder Paleognathae and Impine, these are flightless birds. Okay, the superclass Aves divided into two subclasses, Archaeornithes and Neornithes. Next, we will study about the distinctive features of Archaeornithes. These includes extinct Jurassic birds of Mesozoic era and not represented by any present day forms. These birds that are present in the Jurassic period of the Mesozoic era, these are not present in today's birds. And tail was long, like that of lizard, with 18 to 20 caudal vertebrate. Tail feathers were also present on either side of the tail. Okay, and in the these birds which consisting of a tail was present, and tail is like a lizard tail, and wings are not well developed. They were usually only in gliding and not flying. Wings are present, but they are not well developed. They are used for the gliding purpose, not flying. Limbs, okay, not links. And bones were not pneumatic. The present day birds having the pneumatic bones, whereas these Archaeornithes, they don't, the bones don't have the pneumatic bones. Abdominal ribs were present in addition to the cervical and thoracic ribs. Teeth were present embedded in the sockets. Teeth are present that are embedded in the sockets. The bones of fore and hind limbs resembled those of modern birds, had a three digits each ending in class. Example for these Archaeornithes, Archaeopteryx, and Archaeornis. And this is the diagram or image of the Archaeornithes. The tail is long like that of the lizard tail, and lizard with 18 to 20 caudal vertebrae. Tail is very long. Tail is very long, and with having the 18 to 20 caudal vertebrate. These are all extinct birds. The example for the Archaeornithes is Archaeopteryx. And next one is next class is subclass is Neornithes. It includes all existing bird and also few extinct birds coming under three superorders. Tail is usually short with tail feathers. Teeth are absent on both jaws. These are modern birds, Neornithes, which consisting of the modern birds. That the modern birds, they don't have teeth on jaws. Forelimbs are modified into wings. They are used for flight and pedals for swimming. Claws are absent in the forelimbs. Sternum is well developed. Sternum means breastbone with a keel for detachment of flight muscles. The subclass Neornithes includes three superorders: Paleognathe, Impine, and Neognathe. These uh, subclass Neornithes is further divided into three superorders: Paleognathe, Impine, and Neognathe. Neornithes is one of the example of the Neornithes is extinct the species. A superorder Paleognathe. Superorder Paleognathe is, these are mostly large, flightless, walking or running birds. Exhibit a discontinuous distribution. Discontinuous distribution. They are not distributed all over the world, but they are present in some regions, some location of the earth, some countries of the earth. Wings are highly reduced or present in some birds, hence they are flightless. Why they are flightless means wings are highly reduced, and they having large body, okay, and the head is comparatively small, covered with very few feathers. Beak is short and are broad. Teeth are absent. Tail vertebrate are free. Sternum is devoid of keel. Example for this order Paleognathes: ostrich, emo, kiwi, and rhea. The superorder Paleognathe, which consisting of the flightless birds. Flightless birds. Which are the flightless birds? Are the, we can see ostrich, emo, kiwi, and rhea. And these are not present all over the world. They are present in some countries. That's why they are exhibit a discontinuous distribution. In the diagram, in the picture, we can see the ostrich diagram. Okay, next one is order Impine. The super order Impine, they are marine and flightless birds found in the islands of Antarctic region. In the Antarctic region, southern seas, they are gregarious. Gregarious is nothing but the organisms which lives in large groups. Large groups, that's called gregarious. The wings are pedal like and adapted for swimming. In the picture we can see the um, the legs consisting of the hind limbs, not legs, the hind limbs which consisting of the pedal like structures. Sorry, not legs. In the picture we can see the wings are pedal like and are adapted for swimming. Legs are included in the skin. Legs are included in the skin of bodies. The feet are set back and used for steering. The toes are webbed, and these are also they can also swim. Okay, a thick layer of fat is present beneath the skin. It helps floating. Also acts as an insulator to prevent heat loss. Okay, um, below the feathers, there is a thick layer of fat is present beneath the skin. It helps floating and also acts as an insulator. In the Antarctic region, there is a temperature is very less. To protect itself from the coldness, it had a thick layer of fat. It acts as an insulator. Eggs are incubated by both male and female. The young ones are fed off digested food by the parents. The parental care is well developed in case of the penguins. And here the off digested food is fed by the parents. It's about the order super order Impine. Example is penguin. And next one is the super order Neognathe. These are most modern and usually small size flying birds. Wings are well developed, feathers with interlocking mechanism. Teeth are entirely absent in case of the modern birds. Oil glands is present. Sternum with a well developed keel. And pectoral muscles are large, distributed all over the world. And these superorder Neognath is further divided into um, three forms, not four forms. The Passiforms, Cuculiforms, the Pesticaliforms, and the Anseriforms. The order Passeriforms. These are small perching birds, form a large group of living birds, and feet are adapted for perching. Perching means for sitting purposes they used. Beak is short but strong, adapted for cutting. They build good nest. The eggs are usually colored, and in the passeriform, some are good singers. Example: sparrow, crow, myna, and Indian robin. These are all the passeriforms. And next one is cuculiforms. The example for the cuculiforms is quail and coco. These are also having the modern birds feature, and some of the birds can sing very melodiously. The famous is quail. In the picture, the topmost bird is the female quail, and below the female there is a male quail bird are there. They are famous for singing, and also many species lay their eggs in the nest of other birds where they are inoculated by the foster mother. In case of the cuculiforms, they lay their eggs in other birds' nest. They don't going to take care of their young ones. They can lay their other birds' nest, and the foster mother will take care of the young ones. This is about the parental care by the foster mother. And the next one, third order is order Pistacaceae forms. Example is green parrot and the parakeet. These are also beautiful birds, and they don't build a nest. Eggs are deposited in the burrows and under rocks, and they are famous for mimicry. Some parrots can mimicry like us, and some of them are mimicry the other birds' voices. And adder order Anseriforms. Example is the ducks and swans. These are swimming birds or aquatic birds. They are aquatic birds with a broad and depressed beak. Most of them are good flyers and drivers, and tongue is thick and fleshy. Legs are short and feet are webbed for swimming, and margins of the beak contain many ridges or lamellae. Okay, and this is all about the classification of the Aves. Okay, thank you.